All right, up here you see two words. One word is napkin, the other word is dentist. Do you notice anything about these words? I want you to think about that for a minute. So, how are these words similar? Do they describe something? Do they show action? Or do they name a person, place, or a thing? You're correct. They are going to name a person, place, or thing. A dentist is a person and a napkin is a thing. This is considered to be a noun. So I'm going to go ahead and label this to be a noun. What other kind of words do we have? I mentioned a word that describes action. That would be a verb. And then how about something that describes something? That would be an adjective. All right, well, I put two more words up here. They are sang and bumpy. So now if I'm going to think about my noun, my verb, or my adjective, remember verb is an action and an adjective describes something. So which one of these would be my verb and which one would be my adjective? Well, if I were describing a rock, I might say that it's a bumpy rock. So I described that rock. And verb, if someone sang a song, it's something that they did. So sang would go under verb. All right, so once again, a noun being a person, place, a thing, verb being an action or an adjective being a describing word. I'm going to put another word up here. If I have the word yell, where do you think that would go? How about the word pink? Where do you think that one would go? Yep, pink is a describing word. And yell is our action. In a moment, you will be given more words that you will need to sort yourself.